How to remove a moving object from video and recreate missing frames in Davinci Resolve. To begin, I added a video to my timeline and I want to remove this moving car and replace it with the road. Move the playhead above your video, click on the video, and open up the color page. From the Window tab, click on the rectangle mask. Adjust the size and position of the mask in the viewer to be above your subject. Now from the Tracker tab, click on Track Forward and Backward button. Then right-click on the node and select Add Node, Add Serial. Drag the blue point into the blue input of the new node. Now open Effects panel and search for Object Removal. Drag and drop Object Removal effect into the second node. Now click on Scene Analysis. Then scroll down, change Clean Plate Source to External, and click Build Clean Plate. And now our moving object is replaced with the road. But still, it is not perfect. Play around with search range and other properties until you get your desired result. And now I can go back to the edit page. Anyway guys, thanks for watching and I hope you found this useful.